for hair transplant. My friend has referred me here, and I've seen him. He has got good results, and my hair fall has been since 6 to 7 years, and so post surgery and after following all the protocols which doctor gave, post surgery photograph as well. So that would be the evidence, even if you're not satisfied with my testimony. So there is a proof before surgery and after surgery. So I would definitely recommend Tamira, and whatever the doctor's protocol was there, which I followed, and it gave me the excellent result. So it's been since 3 months after the surgery, and you could see the result lively. Thank you.